All right, so my day starts around 7 a.m. 7 a.m. I wake up. I don't look at any messages. I don't look at any emails. I don't look at any work, anything work related. It starts at around, I'd say like 11 to 12 p.m. Anything work related. Before that, nothing work related. So I'm gonna wake up, have some water, dates, some fruit, and then I'm gonna head to the gym. So whether it's a strength training, whether it's cardio, whether it's maintenance, light work, gonna do some sort of stuff. Cause here's the thing, sometimes when you have an off day, you don't want to go to the gym because you're like, okay, you know what, I got an off day. There's a difference between an off day, not working out because you actually got stuff to do, or go with the family outside or whatever. And there's a difference between an active off day. So every off day for me in the gym is basically an active off day. So that's what it is today. And again, I don't look at any work, no messages, no emails, no nothing. So after I'm done from the gym, because the workout routine needs to have my undivided attention, because I think first thing in the morning, if you can tackle and battle through this hard stuff of cardio and weights, the rest of the day is going to be easy, man. It's going to be simple. Answering emails, messages, stuff like that. That's simple. That's easy. So we're going to get some cardio stuff done, and then we're going to have some breakfast. Then after breakfast, then we're going to take a look at the charts and see where price at. It's Friday today, so normally wouldn't really take a trade on Friday unless it's an opportunity that's really sticking out. So yeah, let's get this cardio done. Guy is really late for work, really speeding, the devil. On his way, vroom. So gym is complete. We're done from the gym. Right now I came home. I'm gonna look at how Pre-London is setting up. This is pound yen. Let's pull up my terminal right here. I'm gonna pull up my terminal. This is the mentorship group we have now. And in this section, okay, so in this section we post, all right, one sec. In this section we post the breakdowns for the day, where we think price is gonna go, what's gonna happen, and all that stuff. So right now, I am in no trades so far, 0 trades taken so far. Maybe looking at some things on pound yen. Pound yen is consolidating, pretty heavy consolidation. So I guess we'll have to wait. Just gonna do a little bit of a breakdown. I'm gonna share with the members. Seem like gold here is breaking up, but yeah. So we're gonna send the analysis, and we're gonna continue on with our day here. I just finished an analysis for the group over here, and we're just waiting for price to move, for price to do something. But check out these spreads on Dominion Markets. Look at this. This is gold spread during Pre-London. You got like a 1 pip gold spread here, almost 1 pip. Pound yen also another one I trade, still pretty good. Anything less than 2 pips is amazing. But in the overall perspective, let me just shut this down. Overall perspective, what matters, what really matters is how fast price moves. If you got a 1.4 pip spread, 1 pip spread, it doesn't really make sense for you to say, oh, you know what, I'm gonna go look for a 1 pip spread, or I'm gonna look for a less than a pip spread on every pair, because then I might be profitable. Profitability comes from winning trades that go in your favor. Profitability doesn't come from having the lowest spread, the best spread. But Dominion Markets, I think our liquidity here is one of the best. Look at this. We got like a less than a 1 pip spread on gold. And actually when I'm looking on gold, let's take a look at right over here. I'm looking at gold to continue to see if we can possibly, let me zoom in over here. So this is the 30-minute time frame. If we can break above 1948 to continue pushing up to fill these wicks here to the left-hand side. Now, obviously these wicks can mean rejection, but we can only fill these wicks once there's volume in the market. In the other words, we're also in a heavy downtrend. I want to see if we can break this support on gold, which is at around, I'd say 1945. If we can break below the support, then we got a pretty good range for price to continue pushing down in this almost like a 53 pip range. So right now we're just consolidating, so we're going to see how it plays out. Going to share these analyses with our members here as well. So yeah, I think should be an interesting day. I mean, apart from the fact that pound yen is just consolidating for so long, where will this go? Who knows? There's my webcam. Hey. All right, this is the gold running at this point. I think it played out really well. Now I'm gonna break this down why I executed over here and not when we start to break down over here. Now first what I want to do is I want to kind of like secure some positions where, okay, we're running at $21,000, 54 pip profit, and secure this here first. Now this candle, once it broke above it, kind of like closed at this same resistance area, which is why this wasn't a good indication for a buy. Next 30-minute candle went all the way back up. This one was a volatile candle because we broke the low and, like, you know, it wasn't really. So I started to look at confirmations on the smaller time frames. Let's take a look on the 15-minute. Now, looking at the 15-minute, like, you know, there was no confirmation right here. I mean, because, you know, at this point we were at this rejection area to the left-hand side, right over here. So I waited for this candle to form to say that, okay, maybe now we're probably in London open time to push up. And this was actually around half an hour after London open. Take a look at that time. And I think it ran really, really, really well. So there was a lot of trade management done at that point as well. And yeah, I think I'm pretty satisfied with the end result. This is pound yen. And so this is my trading view where I did my analysis earlier on, and you can see right here, this is where we talked about, you know, price breaking above resistance. So my entry was right at this point right here, you know, because I wanted to see some sort of consolidation form because we had bullish, bullish, bullish. I think consolidation was formed on the 15-minute time frame, and it was a very good result. So now the thing is, a lot of times you're going to see price. Now the one thing that I really want you guys to understand is that whenever you see price moving bullish and you see bullish candle after bullish candle after bullish candle after bullish candle, like on the 30-minute time frame right here, so you got to ask yourself, how many more bullish candles are you going to see? How many, like, what's the probability that you're going to keep on seeing the 30-minute candles continue pushing up? Like, what's the probability? The probability is going to be really, really low at that point, right? So it's very important to wait for some sort of a, like, a consolidation, retracement, support form, and then you could possibly look at that position to say if that works or not. So for example, if I take a look at this here again, right? So this is the 30-minute time frame. You had one 30-minute candle. Let me zoom in here a little bit. So you had one 30-minute candle that moved up. You had the second one move up. So now you're thinking that, okay, we've already moved around 34 pips at this point. What's the probability price will continue to push up? So you got to consult the smaller time frames, which I did right over here on the 15-minute time frame. And it ran amazingly well. There were like no, I mean, look, this 15-minute candle was a 46 pip candle. Incredible. This does not happen every time. You know, not happen every time. So I'm pretty happy. The results were pretty amazing. 21,000 for the day minus commission on a 40 lot on like a $500,000 account. I mean, also you gotta look at it this way, right? If this was a $50,000 account, the profits are 2,100. If this is a $5,000 account, the profit is 210, right? So this is a $500,000 account, profit is 21,000. So it's just relative. So I hope, yeah, this is my attempt at a vlog, whatever, you know, because I'm a trader, so I gotta show you my Rolex here. Yeah, this is a cheaper one, whatever. But yeah, I think it was a good day over here. And now we're gonna see you guys in Dubai. Take care.